Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to postpone auto lock if the battery is on in the Planes Live application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then at the custom settings section, click on the postpone auto lock button. And within this section, click on the when on battery button. And as you can see, you can set the time for 10, 15 minutes and 1 hour. So just click on the one that you want to set. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.